More than 200 people are now confirmed to be missing and 20,000 displaced and homeless. Welcome to this YouTube channel. In case you've just joined us, I request you kindly to subscribe, click to the notification bell, like and comment. More than 200 people are now confirmed to be missing in Malawi after a tropical storm that hit southern Africa for the second time in the same month. Huge amounts of brown water have scattered through neighborhoods, sweeping away homes. The government has declared a state of disaster in 10,000 districts that have been hardest hit by the storm. The government's disaster relief agency said more than 20,000 people have been displaced and now homeless. The storm has also crippled Malawi's power supply, with most parts of the country experiencing prolonged blackouts. You can watch more of the video as it explains everything. They have also lost their bridge completely. Natural hazards are more frequent in 2023. Some people have also lost their vehicles. That's all I had for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I remind you again to subscribe, click to the notification bell, like and comment.